$3.1 million sitting in this phantom wallet, built purely from launching meme coins. No hype train, no blind bets, just strategy. Let me show you the exact play. Everyone thinks the key to meme coins is catching the next 100x early, but let me tell you from experience, that's a losing game. I used to chase pumps every single day only to get rugged or dumped on by insiders. Then I flipped the script. Instead of trying to find the next 100x or next hit, I started launching them. Now I'm not the one buying late, I'm the one others are buying from. Launching puts you in control, you decide the name, the timing, the hype, and you collect all the profits when time is due. This shift changed everything for me, and it will for you too if you make the right move. Keep watching. By the way, this video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Cap! Please don't copy me, cap! Pump.Fun might look simple, but it is overcrowded. Too many coins are dropping every single minute, and 99% of them get buried before they even see volume. Worst of all, you don't control liquidity, so your own project feels like someone else's. That's why I launched specifically on Create Tokens.io. Coins go live directly on Raydium here. They get instantly graduated and you are in full control from day one. And buyers can jump in immediately and your project gets a shit ton of exposure. I am not even kidding. So, yeah bro, Create Tokens.io is a fucking play. Now when you are ready to launch on Create Tokens.io, you've got two different choices, okay? So the first choice is to actually create a coin from scratch. Go on Twitter, right? Pick a trending narrative, maybe a viral meme or a political moment. Just anything. For example, this right here is a perfect narrative that you could make a coin on. It has 50 million views, and usually tweets from Elon Musk, they do really well in the meme coin space, okay? Every single meme coin will fucking spike. Anyways, come back to Create Tokens.io, give it a name, symbol, and upload the quick 128 by 128 logo, hit next, and just like that, your token is ready for launch. But the second method, and my personal favorite because it's the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. This pulls in coins already trending on Pump.Fun, coins with existing hype and traffic. You just copy them and they instantly launch on Raydium. And because they already have attention, you'll see immediate buyers and way more profit potential right from the start. Both ways are solid, but in my opinion bro, if you want to make quick cash on the side right now, the copy trending coins tab is the way to go. Alright, let's quit talking and actually push a coin live right now. So make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to Create Tokens.io, then refresh list, and we're gonna copy a coin that looks decent. I'm gonna copy the Billy coin. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago, which means it's extremely popular. So create coin, ignore the warning from Phantom, and continue. And then the coin should be created shortly. You just have to be patient. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step's simple. We're adding liquidity so people can instantly trade your token on Raydium. Now there's two simple steps. On token A, just click the 90% button on the right. Then after that, that's going to drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Then for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own coin, meaning the money stays in your pocket. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get it right back when you pull liquidity out later. Okay, so I'm going to put 0.4 SOL to be safe, create pool, and then make sure to just hit confirm. When that's done, simply click on the refresh button, and if you scroll down, boom, the Bitcoin is now live. Now if you re-click on refresh once again, now we're up $168, which means people are actively buying our coin. Click on view on Photon to see the full chart. Now it's live, just give it a bit of time for it to load. Come on, let me go on full screen. Now all you have to do from now on is monitor the chart, make sure nothing happens, right? Just watch all the profits rack in, and that's the power of createtokens.io. I'm gonna be right back, so enjoy the show. Okay guys, I'm back. Looks like we are at a $3.7 thousand market cap and 1.7k in liquidity. I cannot talk today, but yeah, now it's time to cash out profit. So come back to createtokens.io, and once again we're gonna refresh, and boom, we are up 1.6k in profits with a $4,000 market cap. Now, if I now click the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity, and now as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.3 SOL. Click on confirm, and boom! That's exactly how you make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins live on camera. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, boom! 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet.